How to automate tooling management process for cost saving. Tooling control is one of the important aspects in manufacturing industries, especially for metal stamping industries, injection molding industries, turret punching industries, metal casting industries, etc. Tooling conditions and tool life will affect products' quality directly. Traditionally, to ensure tooling is always in good condition and within tool life is a big challenge in most of the manufacturing companies. It is very hard to track manually. Traditionally, tooling storage and traceability is one of the biggest challenges to management. When there is quality problem, management would like to trace tooling info such as last service date, modification date, repair, component replacement, etc. How to ensure tooling history tracing in terms of tool life record, tooling modification record, tooling service record, replacement of component, etc. is extremely difficult through traditional hard copy control. The current way of tooling management consists of tooling registration in Excel spreadsheet, manual tracking of tooling, tool life, maintenance and modification records, tooling location and maintenance cost. Due to lack of efficient way of tooling traceability, this ended up difficulties in tracking tooling conditions in order to determine required tooling services. This result in poor quality product being produced, high rejection rate, low production yield, high operation cost and low productivity. In order to survive in current competitive marketplace, we need to have a proven solution to automate the entire tooling control process. Smart Tool is a proven system to automate the entire tooling management process. It's going to streamline the existing manual control process. It covers right from tooling registration, tool life monitoring, tooling management control, tooling repair and maintenance and online monitoring dashboard. Every tooling will be identified with unique QR code for efficient identification and traceability through mobile apps. Tooling tracking process start from locating tooling location by using mobile apps. Once confirmed, the operator will scan the tooling QR code and give order to move the tooling from storage area to production. Same process applied when production completed. Smart Tool system has comprehensive tracking in terms of tooling storage, production, tooling repair and service, tooling component replacement and external subcon usage. QR code scanning is utilized for every single stage tracking. Smart Tool involves cloud computing technology, web technology, real-time alert, big data analytics, and mobile technology. Smart Tool dashboard is specially designed to allow management to monitor tooling movement, tool life alert, tooling repair and maintenance cost tracking. This real-time info will give management a better picture on what's happening in production floor. Smart Tool could generate significant benefits such as reduce operation cost, increase productivity, improve customer satisfaction, improve tooling traceability, auditor or customer compliance.
After implementing Smart Tool in our factory, productivity has increased and operation cost has reduced significantly. Better tooling management and tool life control. And allow management instant decision and trigger immediate action if needed.
If you have any inquiries or question, don't hesitate to contact us or visit our website for more information. Thank you for watching.